why couldn't I be funnier when Mitch was alive? But you know, I figured it out. It takes time to be funny, and it takes time to extract joy from life. So I enrolled in comedy school. Yeah, I did, and I know, I was the oldest one in the class, thank you. And we were told to tell a story, something true, something that really happened to us. So I got up there, and I talked about my husband and the love he left behind. A few days after Mitch died, I was walking through the yard, and I saw our neighbor, who was a very good friend of Mitch's, Bob, and he saw me coming through the gate, and he said, "I am so sorry for your loss." And I knew that he needed to feel that loss too, and to share it, and I wanted to help him. And he put his arms around me, he cradled me, and his embrace tightened. Finally, here was somebody who truly cared. And then I felt something else. Something huge. Let's just say it, the boner. A boner, that's what I get for trying to do everything myself. Boner Bob, my neighbor. He rooted for all of you. I love you. This is for you, your favorite song, on a Saturday night.
have this thing for you. It's a very unique map. It's for your road trip home.
Right, a map.
You promised, remember?
No, I do, I remember.
This is for you, Mitch. If I leave here tomorrow.
Freebird, huh?
Well, I better get back to
Ben.
You finally made it.
Does Ben even exist?
Just call me when you get home. And not until. I want you to get into the deep, beautiful melancholy of everything that's happened. It's a great nap.
Specialist in the field of last looks. This one was pretty iconically Claire.